How to report fake account using my photo on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the Chrome browser on device, or you can go for any browser for that matter. And what you simply need to do is search for over here and simply search for report fake account on Facebook. So as you do that, you'll be able to see different options over here. So let's just toggle it on and tap on report or Facebook profile or page. So as you do that, you'll be able to land on a new page over here where you can simply see, you can question or you can report your issue. Now, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data. So now you have to report a profile on what you can do is you just have to go to the other impersonating profile and then you can tap on the report profile option. Now, if this step does not help you out, you can tap on this option of was this helpful, then tap on no and select on the solution does not work. Tap on select and then just give the details about your issue regarding reporting a fake account and just mention that profile and everything, and the team of Facebook will definitely contact you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.